In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add events calendar in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional calendar section ready to showcase your upcoming events right on your site. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. This is a quick way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked yet. Click the official GoDaddy result to go to the home page, then sign in to your account. If you're prompted for two-step verification, that's normal. Just complete it to continue. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the page and click your profile name or avatar. From the drop-down, choose My Products. This takes you to a central dashboard where all your GoDaddy services are listed, including your websites plus marketing sites. Find the website you want to work on and click it to open the editor. Depending on your view, this may show as Manage or Edit Website. Either option will take you into the builder. Inside the site editor, navigate to the page where you want your events calendar to appear. Now look for the plus sign that lets you add a new section. You might see it floating between sections on the page or in the left side panel, depending on your layout. Click the plus sign to open the section library. This is where GoDaddy groups all the different content blocks you can add. A search bar will appear at the top of the section library. Type Calendar into that search bar. This filters the options so you don't have to scroll through everything. You'll see calendar-related layouts designed specifically for events. From the results, click the option labeled Display Your Upcoming Events. GoDaddy will insert that section onto your page immediately using your site's default styles so it fits your brand. You can drag the section up or down to position it exactly where you want it, and you can click into the section to see the available settings. These controls are where you'll later add event details and adjust how your dates, times, and descriptions appear. If the layout preview looks a bit different from what you expected, that's typically because of your theme styling. Don't worry, the content will display correctly once you add your events. That's all it takes to add an events calendar in GoDaddy. Get to your site editor, add a section, search for Calendar, and choose Display Your Upcoming Events. With the section in place, you're set up to highlight everything your audience needs to know about what's coming next.